Hey everyone, I'm here to bring you another video sharing my tips and tricks for the aspiring web developer. Today's topic is how to make the transition from beginner to expert web developer in a week. I get asked this question a lot: is it even possible? It's a difficult question to answer, but I believe it's possible, with a lot of hard work and dedication. First things first, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Where do you want to be in a week's time? What skills do you want to acquire, and how will you use them? Setting a goal is a great motivator. Once you have a plan, it's time to get stuck in. Start with the basics and brush up your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and familiarize yourself with other concepts such as SEO or content management systems. It's also important to remember that coding is just one part of web development. You also need to understand web design, digital marketing, and user experience. Make sure that you are developing a holistic understanding of each concept, as this will stand you in the best stead in a week's time. Finally, make sure to take breaks. Working hard is important, but rest and relaxation are also essential. Take regular breaks throughout the day so that you can stay energized and focused. So there you have it, my tips and tricks for making the transition from beginner to expert web developer in a week. Good luck on your journey, and don't forget to keep up the hard work and dedication.